Hi everybody, I'm Eric Hoover at a storage yard in Rosemont, Minnesota with 3M. Now, everybody knows that 3M industrial adhesives and tapes are strong, but are they more than 7.25 tons of shipping container strong? And how will they stand up to an overnight test of creep resistance under constant stress? We'll find out if 3M industrial adhesives and tapes can go beyond strong when we use just a little bit of adhesive to lift a whole lot of shipping container from sundown to sun up. Next on Beyond Strong Extreme Applications. We apply a thin layer of 3M Scotch-Weld epoxy adhesive DP420 to each surface of the couplings. Then the couplings are pressed together and left to cure. All right, so now we're going to load our cement blocks into the shipping container. We're going to put it to the test. Now, remember, we're using a 20-foot, full-sized shipping container weighing in at 5,010 pounds, and we're filling it with 9,540 pounds of solid cement blocks. And that's a combined weight of 14,550 pounds. Now, we've attached our couplings that have been joined together with 3M Scotch-Weld epoxy adhesive DP420, and now we're going to use this crane to lift it all 10 feet into the air. And the 3M adhesive is holding strong. Now remember, that's 14,550 pounds of concrete-filled shipping container hanging by just a small coupling joined by only a thin layer of 3M Scotch-Weld epoxy adhesive DP420. Now that layer of adhesive is all that's stopping the whole thing from coming crashing to the ground. Now that's extreme in anyone's language. But that's only the first phase of our Beyond Strong challenge. Next, we're going to find out if 3M adhesive can keep holding. You see, lots of adhesives can demonstrate strength, but what we want to know is if 3M adhesives can deliver durability in the face of an extreme application. So we're going to leave our container hanging up there overnight. Well, as you can see, the sun's up, and it's been more than 18 hours, and our shipping container is still hanging strong. 3M Scotch-Weld epoxy adhesive DP420 has not only demonstrated true creep resistance under constant stress, but it's done it in extremely cold temperatures. And as you can see, even when subjected to extraordinary conditions, 3M comes out on top.